Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to knit a newborn hat. This is the third hat out of the set of three that I post on my blog. If you need a written instruction of all three hats, you can check my blog. Knit all three hats and make a great present. Let me show you the previous hats. So this one and this one, they're really cute and they are almost all the same size. The third one will be a little bit bigger, that will fit maybe up to 4 months. For this tutorial you will need, as for the previous ones, 3.5 knitting needles. I'm going to use circular ones, and then for the crown I'm going to switch to double pointed because it will be really hard to shape the crown, but I know that someone can do even without double pointed. And I'm using Bernat Premium from Yarn Inspiration. Choose any yarn, but do not forget that you are knitting for a newborn and it has to be soft. Using long tail cast on method, cast on any number multiple of 8, so it can be 56 or 48, so any number multiple of 8 plus one extra stitch, and then we are going to use the stitch and join to knit in round. So slip the first stitch to the right hand needle, then pick up the last stitch and slip it over the first one and drop the last stitch of the needle. Now return first stitch back and place the stitch marker. I'm going to start with ribbon knit knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, go on till the stitch marker. Round number 2 will be the same as round number 1. Go on ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Go on knitting and ribbon till the stitch marker, and then go on ribbon until the ribbon part reaches 3.54 centimeters. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've done 7 rounds in total. And let's measure. It is 3.5 centimeters. Now the next round. From this point we are going to start knitting in garter stitch. Garter stitch in rounds means that we are going to knit all stitches in one round and then purl all stitches in the second round. So knit all stitches around. Round number 2, purl all stitches around. Purl till the stitch marker. Round numbers 3 and 4 will be the same as round number 1 and 2, and this 2 rounds we are going to repeat until the head reaches desired length. So round number 3 we knit all stitches now. Knit all stitches, and then round number 4 we are going to purl all stitches around. In this way go on repeating until the head reaches about 10 centimeters, the length from the edge. Here I am. This is not a seam, no worries, it's soft. Okay, I've done a little bit more. It's 10.5 centimeters. Yes, 10.5 centimeters. It's still okay. And now we are going to start shaping the crown. So divide your stitches evenly. You can count 8 stitches and place stitch marker, 8 stitches and place stitch marker. So if you cast it on 56 stitches, then it will be 7 parts. If you cast it on 48 stitches, then it will be 6 parts. Pay attention that the next round is a knit round. So now knit 6 and then knit 2 together. Then again, as I said, you may count or place stitch markers, 6 or 7 stitch markers around every 8 stitches. So we repeat, knit 6, knit 2 together. Knit 6, knit 2 together. Knit 6, knit 2 together. Please go on repeating knit 6, knit 2 together till the stitch marker. Round number 2, it is a purl round, so we purl all stitches. There will be no decreases here. Round number 3, there will be also no decreases here, so we are going just knit all stitches around. Go on knitting till the stitch marker. Round number 4, here we are going to make decreases, and it is a purl round, so purl 5 because we have 7 stitches already before the first stitch marker, and then purl 2 together. And repeat, purl 5, and purl 2 together. Purl 5, and purl 2 together. Go on repeating purl 5, purl 2 together till the stitch marker. Round number 5, no decreases here, knit all stitches. Finish this round, then round number 6, purl all stitches, and there will be no decreases as well. Round number 7, now we have 6 stitches in each section, so knit 4 then knit 2 together, and repeat. Knit 4, knit 2 together, knit 4, knit 2 together. Please go on repeating the pattern. Knit 4, knit 2 together till the stitch marker. Round number 8. No decreases here, purl all stitches around. You can switch already to the double pointed needles. Finish this round and then round number 9, knit all stitches without decreases. Round number 10, purl 3, purl 2 together, purl 3, purl 2 together, purl 3, purl 2 together. Go on repeating till the beginning. Round number 11, knit all stitches without decreases. Finish the round and then round number 12, purl all stitches without decreases. Round number 13, it is a knit round, so knit 2, knit 2 together, and repeat knit 2, knit 2 together, knit 2, knit 2 together. Please go on repeating knit 2 together till the end. Round number 14, purl all stitches without decreases. Finish this round and then round number 15, knit all stitches. Round number 16, purl 1, purl 2 together, and again purl 1, purl 2 together. Please go on repeating purl 1, purl 2 together till the end, and then round 17, knit all stitches without decreases. That's it. I have finished with the last knit round, round number 17. Cut the yarn, leaving 10 centimeters tail. Using yarn needle or tapestry needle or hook, pull the tail through the remaining stitches. pull the tail, and now you can pull the tail again underneath remaining stitches once more. On the wrong side, make a knot and weave in end. Sorry, I lost the tail. Okay, enough. Cut it. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it and I hope it was easy for you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like this video and please check the written instruction on my blog if the video tutorial is hard to follow for you. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye!